Welcome to this SU-27 training lesson on the use of radar for beyond visual range combat. You can take control or exit the lesson at any time by pressing escape. Please don't touch the controls or change views during the lesson. If you need to pause the lesson, press the pause key. Select Beyond Visual Range Mode by pressing 2. Press I to activate the radar. Press D to select R-27ER missiles. Check the HUD to confirm your weapon selection. The HUD will also indicate which stations are loaded with the selected weapon. This information is duplicated on the Weapon Readiness panel below the HUD. In scan mode, the radar scans the airspace ahead in a cone, 60 degrees in azimuth and 10 degrees in elevation. The scan zone can be shifted 30 degrees to the right by pressing right shift and comma, or 30 degrees to the left by pressing right shift and slash. The current horizontal position of the scan zone can be seen on the HUD and the HDD displays. To shift the scan zone vertically, we need to input the anticipated range and elevation of the target. Press right Alt plus, right Alt minus to enter the anticipated target range. The range value is displayed at the bottom of the HUD. Press right shift semicolon and right shift period to enter the anticipated altitude difference between yourself and the target. The target elevation value is displayed on the right side of the HUD as the number of kilometers the target is above you or below you. The target elevation is displayed together with the zone coverage bar, HUD view reference marks, and the elevation angle scale. The maximum elevation range of the radar is 55 degrees up and 35 degrees down. To recenter the scan zone, press right Control I. Doing so will also reset the target range to 10 kilometers and the target elevation to 0 kilometers. You can set the range scale indication by pressing plus and minus. Let's discuss the radar modes. The radar has 3 primary modes that can be cycled by pressing right shift and I. High pulse repetition frequency, or HPRF mode, is used for targets that are flying head-on. detection frequency, or NPRF mode, is used for targets that are between tail-on and side-on. Using this mode for head-on targets will significantly reduce our detection range. The ZPS cue on the HUD indicates NPRF mode. Interleave mode is most often used when target aspect is unknown. This mode automatically switches between high and medium PRF on alternate bars of the raster scan pattern. This provides all aspect detection, but at the expense of about 25% reduction of the detection range compared to HPRF or NPRF modes. The ABT cue on the HUD indicates interleave mode. The radar also has two detection modes that can be cycled by pressing right Alt and I. The scan mode can be used in combination with either high, medium, or interleave PRF modes. In scan mode, radar contacts are displayed on the HUD with no indication of their flight vectors. Contacts will be displayed as target markers based on their type as follows. A double row marker indicates a friendly contact. A single row marker indicates an unidentified contact and presumed hostile. The number of dots in a row indicates the approximate size of the contact.